What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Phantom here, and as we can see, we've got a very nice run up to the next resistance, haven't we? I think the last time that we covered Phantom was a few days ago when it was down here, basically consolidating. You can see very clearly on the daily time frame the exact kind of pattern formation that we are seeing here. We've got this resistance, obviously. It does look as though we have got a very nice bump and run, where essentially, we've got the resistance, we roll all the way down, we come back up to the resistance, we break it, we back test, and then quite clearly we have seen that big run up and that move to the upside looking very good indeed. This resistance, obviously, very clear here that we have broken it, come back down, back tested it, but more than that, you can see the Fibonacci levels coming in as very decent levels of support as well. We've got a very nice support down here at 125, a fairly, we'd say that's a fairly psychological level. It's also halfway in this nice bit of structure here, in between the previous all-time high and the 127 extension there. You can see we formed a little bit of a range here between 125 and around 160 there, which was essentially, this little range that we formed here. If we just draw this in, you can see we've pretty much got a range looking something like this. Let me just save that. And you can see, obviously, since then, as we said, we've got the breakout, the back test, and not only did we back test that previous resistance, but we also back tested the 141 extension there. And pretty much what we said in our last video was the next target would be the next Fibonacci level, and you can see we've come up and pretty much perfectly hit it. Currently trading at around 292. You can see here, 290, what is this? Almost exactly $3, the 161 extension of the fibs there. And you can see because of that we've had a really decent pump to the upside. On the hourly time frame, you can see it even better in more detail. We come down here, we make a nice little range, test the bottom, test the top. We're ranging, test the top again, and then we come up, we test that full resistance just above the the top of the range in this area here. We get the breakout and this just really nice uptrend here. We come up, we get a little bit stuck under our previous resistance, and you can see we come down, we backtest our EMAs, but we come back up again. We cleanly break out of this area here, get back above the 141 really nicely, and then you can see, obviously, since then we have just been trading upwards and to the right, basically, haven't we? So overall, we know that Phantom is a great ecosystem. It's essentially it's TVL heading up and up. Lots and lots of quality DeFi being built on the platform. This ecosystem, this DeFi ecosystem that we have seen for Phantom has just been ever increasing, more and more great projects coming out all the time. Just a really top quality, super fast, super uncongested, low fees, and just a very functional platform really. And obviously the demand for Phantom has been increasing exponentially. People buying it for long-term holds, etc. We do think this is probably going to be a blue chip crypto in the next few years, we would say. Probably sooner than that, considering how fast it is moving up. And obviously the narrative for layer 2's Phantom, could be the next Avalanche or Solana in our opinion. Solana being up at around, what is it, $50-60 billion market cap. Avalanche over $30 billion. I think Phantom's at around 6 or 7 billion right now. So still plenty of time in our opinion for Phantom to see, $5 to $10 as a decent price target. You can see just how bullish it is right now, even in the face of the crab market that we are seeing with the decent bearish sentiment. We're basically seeing Phantom do extremely well here, heading up towards that next fib level, which it's a decent resistance, isn't it? So as we said, Phantom super bullish. Short-term price predictions, if we roll over that 260 level there, the previous swing high could be the first level of support. And then beyond this, we've got the 141. If we do roll all the way over in the market at around that $2.07 level, we could come down here, retest this and get the full bounce to the upside. But in our opinion, we'll probably end up finding support in and around this 232-ish area here. decent levels of structure all in this area, looking something like this. Just somewhere in this area, if we rolled over significantly, we'd find the bounce there in that good area of structure and then get the move to the upside. And then obviously if we break the fib, we are heading back to the all-time high around 355, which would be obviously excellent to see. Beyond that, we do have some really nice price targets for Fantom. Obviously, we do think that $10 level, $5 to $10 in our opinion, you know, it's looking pretty likely for Fantom now, isn't it? The all-time high of $3.50. Obviously, that 227 extension there around $10. That's only going to take us up to around $20 billion market cap. And we do think, you know, considering how much use that Fantom is getting, especially in comparison to Avalanche and Solana, it's starting to catch up in terms of TVL. We do think that it's going to perform exceptionally well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.